What's going on, YouTube family and friends? Welcome back to the channel. And what we came to discuss here in today's video is QBTS. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out QUBT. I know a lot of the viewers currently holds this stock, and if that is you, can you please comment the ticker symbols in the comment section below if you're holding either one of them. I just want to see how many current viewers is still holding the two. Also, we're going to take a brief look and check out VRME, which is our first alert of the year 2025. And if you were a part of the Discord, then you actually caught the VRME alert in real time. I alerted it over in our Discord server back on January 2nd. As you guys can see here, ready for the first alert of 2025. We got huge reaction here from that, ladies and gentlemen. So I do expect for a lot of the current viewers to be holding this thing. And as you guys can see here, VRME was alerted for $1.90 with that price target being $2.10 plus. And as you guys can see here, the stock has ultimately reached a high here on Tuesday's trading of $5 throughout the trading day, but we did see a high in that pre-market of $5.63. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I do feel as though that VRME has more room to run, so stick around for my end of the day price prediction and tomorrow's price prediction for VRME. So with no further ado, let's dive right in. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, and that is QUBT. For those that is currently in the quantum computing space, if you're holding any quantum computing stocks, just comment the ticker symbol in the comment section below. I just want to see if we do have a lot of people holding RGTI, maybe a few others, SOUN, and the names keeps going on. But as you guys can see here, we do see this thing actually breaking through the mid-Bollinger Band here on the 10, but what we like to look at is the 15-minute chart. And if we take a close look, we did actually approach that here, bounced off of it, but we do see nice heavy volume. In fact, looking at that short sell analysis here, these last few days of trading, yeah, nothing really pops off the screen here. Currently, also, we do see two consecutive days of net inflow and favorment here on the block orders. Today is much larger here than what we received on Tuesday. But with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, if we go back to the day chart, we are not out of the neck of the woods just yet. We do see that mid-Bollinger Band here on QUBT right around $15. And far as QBTS goes, we see that mid-Bollinger Band sitting here right around that $7.76 level. So before we can actually call this thing bullish or on its turnaround, we do have to cross those thresholds. Currently right now on QBTS's profit ratio margin, as you guys can see here, currently sits at 34%, and the PCD on that degree overlap is much lower than that. Ladies and gentlemen, this thing is severely oversold. But with that being said, the entire quantum computing space, if we take a brief look and check out the related stocks here on the day, we do see majority of those are currently up 10 to 3 ratio here. And far as QUBT, sorry about that. As far as that goes, ladies and gentlemen, the exact same thing. Not out the neck of the woods yet. A nice stretch from its mid-Bollinger Band. Currently oversold here on the 60 on the day. But far as the 60-minute, aka the hour, we are leaning towards those bearish signs and symbols thanks to the uptick here on the trading day. But far as my price prediction here for the two here at the end of the week, I do feel as though that the stocks, both this stock QUBT, stands a very great chance to cross those $13 levels here by the end of the week. And far as QBTS goes, ladies and gentlemen, be looking for this thing to actually cross those $6.80 levels, leaning towards those $7 levels here before the end of the week. And then we can talk about this thing, these two being on the turnaround. If you're currently holding RGTI, let me know in the comment section below. I will be doing a update video on this as well, which also has to approach that mid-Bollinger Band, which I do feel as though stands a very great chance to actually see that happen here before the end of the week, ladies and gentlemen. So again, if you're holding RGTI and you do want to check out that update video, please comment the ticker symbol in the comment section below. But last but not least, what we came to talk about here is our first alert of the year, VRME, which is on a total rally here, ladies and gentlemen. Yesterday we did actually close here that $3.20 levels, which was below that upper here. And like I told you guys before, anytime that a stock tends to actually trade above that upper on the Bollinger Band, expect to see a retracement. We do expect to see a retracement here in VRME here pretty darn soon, but I do feel as though that we're going to actually break Tuesday's high before the end of the day. With that being said, I do feel as though that this stock is actually going to reach those $6 levels here before the end of the year, but I don't feel as though that this is a nice long-term investment style play. Currently with a market cap under $50 million and a share float well below that, this thing isn't going to take a lot of buying or sway the share price here up or down. With that being said, all it takes is a very aggressive day of short selling and or profit taking to actually make this thing retrace 20 to 30% in a very, very fast fashion. If we take a brief look and just check out our PCD here, currently we do see a profit ratio of 98%, and that points to a massive number of holdings that is currently profitable, exposing the potential risk of buying high. And anytime that you're much above that that is what you're going to receive. In fact, if we look at the technical sentiment, we do see that negative sentiment very, very strong here, with all three levels of the RSI currently overbought here, ladies and gentlemen. You do not want to see that. That is what we expect to see, a retracement here back under this upper, which points to $3.88. That will be a great buy zone for those that is looking to swing this thing back towards those $6 levels. That will be a great buy zone, because again, I do feel as though that VRME is headed towards those $6 levels here before the end of January. So again, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you sign up for our Discord server so you will not miss out on home run plays like you see here today. The sign up link is in the description below, and may the gains be with you.